Welcome students. We were discussing about how do you work with multiple applications at the same time. So as I discussed, I was working, I'm making an assignment here in a text file, okay, and side by side I want to go to Google also and I want to check something on Google also. तो वन वे इज आप एक एप्लीकेशन को मिनिमाइज करो, देन यू वर्क हेयर, फिर आप इसको मिनिमाइज करो, फिर गूगल क्रोम को खोलो, देन यू वर्क ऑन गूगल. What I want to do is I want to side by side work on both the applications. In that case, what you do is, this is your taskbar at the bottom. You right click anywhere on the blank area of your taskbar. ये मेरा blank area. I right click here and I select the option Windows, show windows side by side. As soon as you click on this, you will have both your windows opened simultaneously. Let me show you. I have both these, I'm working on both these applications. I right click anywhere here and I select the option show windows side by side. So as soon as you click on this, you see both the windows will open simultaneously. So I can type here also and then I can look for meaning here. So I am working on both the applications side by side, right? So this is how you work with multiple applications at the same time. Means आप दो applications पे simultaneously काम कर सकते हो. Otherwise आप या तो minimize करो एक को, फिर आप दूसरे पे काम करो, फिर आप उसको minimize करो, फिर उस पे काम करो. So simple way so that you can easily work on both these applications is you go to the Windows taskbar, blank area on the Windows taskbar, and you select the option show windows side by side. In that case, you will see both the windows opened up simultaneously, right? So this was your chapter. All the portions, all the topics have been covered in this chapter. We first discussed in my first video, we have discussed about how you can move or copy a file or a folder from one drive to another. In my next video, we have discussed the topic how you can move or copy a file from your external pen drive that you connect to your computer. You can either copy a folder from your computer to your pen drive or from your pen drive to your computer. Okay. Next, we discussed about various how you can sort the files. आप कैसे sorting करते हो अपने files की on your desktop. How you sort means arranging the files. Next, we also discussed about different file formats that we have in your computer. Then we discussed about how you can search a file or folder in your computer. And the last topic that we discussed is how you can work with multiple applications at the same time, right? So now we will be discussing the exercise part of your back exercise of this chapter, okay? So in your notes that was sent to you previously, you have received the exercise parts also. So I will just quickly open up your notes that you have received, and so that we can discuss your exercises. Okay. So the first part is fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank is moving a file or a folder means shifting it from its dash to another location. So we are shifting from its source to another location. Okay, so the first option that first answer, that is, it is source. Second is dash option is used to change the name of a file or a folder. We can always go ahead and change the name of a file or a folder. I'll just tell you how. Let's say this is the file that I have saved on the computer. I want to change the name. Right now its name is tokens. So I want to change the name. I just select the file, I right click on that file and I go to the option rename. As soon as you go to the rename, you just type the new name that you want to give to your file and you just click outside. So you can see I have just changed the name of the file. I'll just show you again. I just click on this file, I right click on it and I go to the rename option and then I type the new name that I want to give to my file. So I just given the name Java. Earlier it was new. So I click anywhere and you can see the name of that file is changed. So the second answer is rename. Third is you can find a file or folder by typing the keyword in the search box. We've discussed this is the search box. So you can always search for any file or folder by typing in the search box. Dash and dash are the two wildcard characters that are used. We discussed it is one is question mark and the other one is star. Fifth fill in the blank is a dash is a standard way for encoding information in a computer file. So a file format is a standard way for encoding information in a computer file. File format means if this is a Word file, you have the file format of a Word. If you are making a presentation, it will have a file format of a PPT. Okay. Next is true or false. The first is to select a consecutive group of files, click on Control key. So consecutive means साथ साथ. So I'll just show you how you do this. So let's say I am going to my folder. Consecutive means साथ साथ, means पहले GST है, new folder, phone backup. So these are the consecutive 3 folders. ठीक है. अगर मुझे consecutive means जो साथ साथ पे 3 folders हैं उनको select करना है तो वो कैसे करते हैं. One way is अगर आपको सिर्फ एक folder select करना है तो you just go ahead and single click on that folder. Suppose I want to select 3 folders at a time. अब 3 folders या तो वो folders साथ साथ हो सकते हैं या वो अलग अलग. अगर साथ साथ हैं तो that means GST, new folder और phone backup. These are the 3 consecutive folders. If I talk about GST, question और test, ये 3 folders हैं जो अलग अलग पड़े हैं. That is, these are not the consecutive folders. Okay. So अब मुझे साथ साथ वाले means consecutive group of folders को select करना है. तो what do I do? I just once I click on GST and then what do I do is I press a shift key from my keyboard and I press the down key. Down key press की मैंने. ठीक है. ये पहले मैंने क्या किया, सिंगल क्लिक किया फर्स्ट फोल्डर को, मैंने शिफ्ट की प्रेस की अपने कीबोर्ड से एंड आई मूव एरो की डाउनवर्ड्स. 2 बार प्रेस की तो मेरी तीनों फाइल सिलेक्ट हो गई. अब मैं इनको कॉपी इकट्ठा कर सकती हूँ. ठीक है. एंड देन आई कैन पेस्ट एनीवेयर. अब मुझे अगर नॉन कंसेक्यूटिव को सिलेक्ट करना है मींस मेरे को GST को करना है, क्वेश्चन को करना है, तो टेस्ट को. इस केस में आई विल जस्ट सिलेक्ट GST एंड देन आई प्रेस कंट्रोल की, आई क्लिक ऑन क्वेश्चन, देन आई क्लिक ऑन टेस्ट. आप कंट्रोल की दबा के रखोगे और 3 फोल्डर्स जो आपको सिलेक्ट करने हैं उनको आप सिलेक्ट करोगे and then you right click anywhere and you select copy option and you can copy this non consecutive. ठीक है. So in this true or false क्या है आपका, first to select a consecutive group आप कंट्रोल की नहीं, आप शिफ्ट की प्रेस करते हो. ओके. सो कंसेक्यूटिव मीन साथ साथ वाले. तो साथ साथ वाले जब आप फोल्डर सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो तो यू आर प्रेसिंग शिफ्ट की. नेक्स्ट इज शिफ्ट प्लस डिलीट की कॉम्बिनेशन. जब आपको एक फाइल या फोल्डर को परमानेंटली यू वांट मीन डिलीटेड परमानेंटली फ्रॉम योर कंप्यूटर, यू ऑलवेज डिलीटेड बाय यूजिंग शिफ्ट प्लस डिलीट. दिस इज गिवन इन योर फैक्ट एंड फाइल्स. नेक्स्ट इज इन Windows 7 we can display only 2 windows at a time. That is false. You can display several windows at a time. Fourth is the sound files have an extension .mp3. It is true. Sound files can have an extension .mp4 also. Fifth is .docx will search for all Microsoft star.docx will search for all Microsoft Word files whose name contains only one character. This is false. If you type star.docx, it is going to show you all the files which have an extension .docx. Okay. So these was your true or false. So I will be just discussing application based questions. Multiple choice and question answers are given in your notes. So in case you have any doubt, you can always write to me in the comment section of your school app. So first application based question is, Neeta wants to locate a file that she has saved in her computer a few days back. She doesn't remember the exact name but can recall the first alphabet of the file name. Suggest her an appropriate method to find the name. So you are going to use wildcard characters and then you can just look for that particular file. Second is, Riya wants to listen to music while searching some information. Which option she should use to work with both applications simultaneously? तो उसको 2 applications at a time use करनी है. As I discussed, we will use the feature using multiple application feature of Windows. So the answer will be use the multiple application feature of Windows, right? So you can just go through your multiple choice questions and question answers given at the given in your notes. In case you have any doubt, please feel free to write to me in the comment section. Thank you students and God bless you all.